All right, I am behind the camera today. My sous chef is taking over. What are we up to today, Ella?
So we're gonna roast some broccoli.
Yeah.
And we had some leftover pasta, so we're gonna make Alfredo mac and cheese.
Got it.
And then we're gonna just grill some chicken tenders.
But what are we doing?
We're gonna do it all on one grill.
Wait a second. All of this on one grill.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have it done all at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
What are we cooking on? What grill?
On the Traeger.
All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so chicken prep is first, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
So we're gonna drizzle some oil on there.
Okay, and how much oil?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Kind of to help the rub stick, kind of?
Yeah.
Okay, and then how much seasoning?
You can do as much as you want, but this
Okay.
is how much we like.
So you're doing just enough to get some flavor, but not so much to overpower?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, and next up?
Just gonna get that all mixed up. I'm gonna set this to 425 degrees and start it.
All right, we're good to go. We are igniting.
Okay, this is my noob tip. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan so the noodles don't stick.
Oh, that's a cool tip. And then you do it on the side too?
Yeah.
And that kind of makes our cast iron even more non-stick.
Yeah.
All right, walk me through this mac and cheese hack.
Okay, so I'm gonna put in the pasta.
Yep, put in the pasta. And then you want me to help you pour the sauce so you can mix it? All right, and then we're gonna, hold on a sec. We're gonna pour the sauce in. All right, so we added some Alfredo sauce. Now what do you do?
Just mix it up.
Mix it up good. Get it all juicy and ooey and gooey. And then a little bit of Parmesan on the top, right? We're ready to bake. The finishing touch.
Just gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, what's the last part of today's dinner?
We're gonna roast broccoli.
All right, how we do this?
Just put some more oil on.
And a little bit heavier, right? Because we have a lot of broccoli to coat, okay? And we just use frozen broccoli that we had in the freezer in a bag. Now we're gonna give it a little seasoning. And you recommend what, oil first and then the rub?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Just so it sticks better.
So it sticks better? Cool, cool. And again, like we always say, season as much or as little. All right, mix it up. All right there, fancy pants. So everything on the grill at once, right?
No.
No?
Put broccoli on first so it gets a nice char.
Okay, broccoli first.
And then the mac and cheese on the top.
At the same time.
Yes. And then we kind of use the mac and cheese as a timer.
All right.
And you know when it's done, when it starts to bubble, and then we can put the chicken on.
So we're kind of choreographing this like a fine, well-oiled dinner machine.
Yeah.
All right, let's shut the lid, cook these, and then we're waiting probably, what, 15, 20 minutes for that to bubble?
Yeah.
Which means that'll be all nice and beautiful and roasted. And then we move it around and finish it up with chicken tenders. Well, it looks like your timer worked because mac and cheese is bubbling. Broccoli looks good. You've already started loading, so finish loading the rest of the chicken tenders. When do we know it's time to flip?
I usually make sure that the sides are white, and then
So like the edges turn white, and it's
Yeah.
time to flip. And now we have our entire meal on the grill. All right, we've got that white around the edges. Time to give them a flip. Oh, dude, look at those grill marks. Oh, I can't wait for dinner. All right, how long did this take us total?
maybe 35 minutes.
Yeah, this took 35 minutes, literally from when you started the chicken to the timer that told us when it was time to add the chicken and roasted broccoli. Good job, right? All right, that's it. We did this all in 35 minutes on the Traeger, literally one grill to make our entire family meal. Good job, sous chef. Happy cooking.